Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the simple interest formula. Simple interest is a fundamental concept in finance, offering a clear way to calculate the cost of borrowing or the return on an investment. It's a simple, non-compounding calculation that focuses solely on the initial principal. We will break down its components and show you exactly how to apply it effectively in various scenarios. Understanding each part of the formula, I equals P times R times T, is crucial. P is your principal, the initial sum. R is the annual interest rate, and it's vital to convert percentages to decimals. For example, 5% becomes 0.05. Finally, T is the time in years. If your time is in months, divide by 12 to convert it to years for accurate calculation. With your grids ready, it's time to transfer your image. Pick a starting square on your reference and find its corresponding square on your drawing paper. Carefully observe the lines and shapes within that single square and draw only what you see there. Pay close attention to how lines enter and exit each square. Work methodically, square by square, until you have transferred all the essential outlines of your subject. After calculating the simple interest, you can find the total amount by adding the interest back to your original principal. In our example, $1,000 plus $150 equals $1,150. Remember, simple interest is straightforward and best suited for shorter durations. Always double-check that your rate is a decimal and your time is in years for precise results. It's a powerful, easy-to-use tool.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.